Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I am doing a master bedroom clean, and there's a little bit of organization in here too. So I'm starting off in my bedroom. As you can see, it is a disaster. Honestly, it's the most neglected room of the house all the time, and it just struggles. So I had already woken up first thing, and I had put our sheets and our comforter into the washing machine. My husband works graveyard, so it's really hard finding the time to make sure, because I don't know if it's just me and maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I swear to wash sheets, it's like an all-day thing because you have to do the sheets and then the comforter separate, and I swear it just takes forever for that comforter to dry.
And while we are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time.
Now today, to clean everything, I'm pretty much using my duster first to get a lot of the loose dust and hair off, and then I am going through with my Method Lime and Sea Salt. I'm so close to running out of this, guys, and I'm so sad because they still have not had it in stock on Grove. So I am keeping my eye out for it, although I do have tons of other cleaners. This one's definitely my favorite, but I'm just going through with a microfiber cloth and the Lime and Sea Salt method and spraying it afterwards to get everything nice and clean.
Be safe and sound. There's time for that, but not now. And while we are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. We are young and we got plenty of time. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time.
Now, I'm not actually sure if I have shown you guys that our TV is now mounted in our bedroom as well. All TVs in the house are mounted, and I'm so excited about that. But I just wanted to pop on here and say I did not know that you could see the TV. I thought I had angled the camera lower, so I know it's kind of distracting and awkward having the TV on in the background. But it brings me to my next point. I mean, we have all Roku TVs in our house. We love the Roku TVs. And I recently discovered that there is the Roku channel, and I've always seen it and I've just kind of ignored it. However, I am now watching Cold Case on there. They have tons of different movies, so I am super into Cold Case right now. I used to love it growing up. Growing up, I mean, I was older when it was on, but I used to love that show, and it's on Roku channel for free. It's kind of like Netflix, so if you have Roku TVs, check it out, see what you can get on there, because there's tons of different movies, TV shows, all of that fun stuff. Now, I did also want to leave this footage in of my son. My husband was watching him, but my son just wanted to come in here and play for a little bit, which of course means he wants to get into everything he's not supposed to. But I did want to leave that in because I do want to show you guys that it's not just me being able to sit here and clean all day, every day, because I do have a family and I do have the 2 kids, and they have needs as well, and my husband and I enjoy spending time together as well. So, I do take a lot of breaks in between everything to make sure that I am meeting their needs. And I mean, let's face it, I like taking a break every now and then too, and I don't want to just clean all day, every day.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. Same old thoughts be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change.
Now, I do carry a trash bag with me pretty much whenever I'm cleaning. You may not have noticed it before, but there's almost always a trash bag in like the side of a view or something like that. And it's because as I'm cleaning, if I find whether it's toys or clothing, things like that that are stained or things I know that need to go into the trash can, I have an area to go ahead and just throw it away. I don't have the excuse of I'll throw it away later, and it gets the stuff that's not being used out of my house quicker. So it's definitely a huge tip that I have for you guys. And then I also do dump in like the bathroom trash cans and the bedroom trash cans in it as I go as well.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you're wanting me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love.
I also did want to mention that you do not see me cleaning out the shower in this video. I don't clean it out very often, especially on camera, because my husband and I pretty much clean it while we're in the shower. We do get the daily shower spray, and we use that, and we do squeegee it every day. And I also have like a little scrubby in there, so sometimes when I'm taking a shower, I'll take in some, I'll first start and I'll spray like a cleaner on it, and then I'll go in and I'll scrub it real quick, and then jump in the shower and I rinse it all down while I'm in the shower. And it just works out so much easier. So you will actually not see me clean our shower that often because we clean it while we're in it. So nobody wants to see that footage, and I'm happy that it's clean, and I don't want to clean something that's clean just for the sake of cleaning it for the camera.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
As you can tell, it is so much later in the day. It was already like 7 o'clock by this point. I actually was not feeling very good this day, so you can see I have like a blanket to the side, and I'm not joking when I say I just kind of laid in the bed. We do have a mattress protector on it right now that's like a cloth one, So I just laid on that basically and took a little bit of a nap earlier in the day because I was not feeling good. But the sheets were done and the comforter was done. However, when I pulled the comforter out, it was still wet. So I was drying it for a third time because I swear, like I said, I don't know if it's me or what I do, but for whatever reason, my comforters always take forever to dry. And it's part of the reason I switched to a duvet cover, but then I found this set and I really, really like this set. So we are working on figuring it out. But I also wanted to add that I am not quite happy with the gray sheets with the comforter that we have. So if you have any suggestions, I was kind of thinking of doing like navy blue mixed in the room. So let me know in the comment section what color sheets and like accents you think would be good. Obviously, we have tons of white, gray, and beige, and I wanted to kind of add a little bit of color in. Now, this was the next morning, and I was waiting on this to get here from Amazon, but I got this idea from Joanna Thornton, and she used it in her master closet for her shoes, and I am definitely lagging in the shoe space in my closet. Our closet is a really good size. It's just literally bars across, and there's no storage systems in it. So eventually my husband and I do want to go ahead and go through a company and get our closet redone. However, until then, I definitely wanted to get something to keep my shoes a little bit more organized and easier to grab. And I found this on Amazon. I will link it below. It was super easy to build. However, it was pretty time consuming. I think this took me like 45 minutes. And guys, I was so tired. This is sped up 20 times than what it actually took me. Just to get an idea of how long, and like it's kind of tedious putting the pieces together. But like I said, it's pretty simple and I was able to do it on my own, no problem.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in.
Now, I was just focusing on my side of the closet. So we do leave in the corner our suitcase, and you saw me put the other bags into it earlier in the video. So we do just store all of our bags there, and I wanted to leave that there. So I just put it up against there. That way the suitcase still had a home. And it did take me a minute to figure out exactly where I wanted to put everything. And I do still have a few pair of UGG boots that are not in the shoe closet because they were in the garage drying. I had taken them camping. So I had washed them, and so they were in there drying. So I still don't know exactly where I'm going to put all of my boots, but most of my boots did fit up there, and all of my shoes actually fit in there. And shockingly, that's exactly the amount of pairs that I had. You'll see I turned this little thing around because this is supposed to be like a DVD rack. However, I have used it in the closet for probably over a year now for flip-flops, and then we do have some of the PlayStation 4 games and everything, and my perfumes are on that. So I think it works really well in the closet anyways. So I did also want to take care of my hats. Had been hanging like on a hanger, and I just didn't like the way it looked. It was too hard. They were constantly falling. So I wanted to put them up on the wall. So I did just use some clear push pins because obviously a push pin doesn't make the hole very large. And I decided to go ahead and hang my hats in the closet, and I think that this looks so much better. On this side, really all I had was empty hangers, so I did move those to a different part of the closet. But as you can see, everything is filled. This empty space are from the tennis shoes that I currently have in the living room. I do always have a pair of shoes out in the living room to throw them on. And you can see that I just have my hats just kind of stacked up along the side, and then they were also across the top. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up from that and make my bed and vacuum, and that'll be it for this video.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you
All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. I post lots of cleaning motivation, organization, things like that. So go ahead, click that subscribe button. And if you're interested in seeing more of our day-to-day life, follow me over on Instagram. My handle is it's Shell Peterson. I post more over there on kind of what's going on with us, daily, or videos that are coming out. And a spoiler alert, if you do not follow me over on Instagram, you may want to head over there to check out. We are about to get a new puppy, and he is posted over there on Instagram. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.